The goal of this module is to get your computer set up so that you can start using Choroplethr to make maps of census data in the next module. In this lesson, we're going to walk through the steps necessary to install R. To install R, visit this URL, r-project.org. This is the main page for the R programming language. You can see here there's a lot of information, and I encourage you to spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself with this website. To download R, though, click the button that says CRAN underneath the tab that says Download. From here, I encourage you to click the first link under Zero-Cloud. And from here, you'll have three different options depending on your operating system. Click the button to download the version of R for your operating system. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to click the Mac button. And from here, you want to click the button that has the latest version of R. In my case, today, that version is 3.4.3. After you finish downloading the file, install it using whatever mechanism you have on your own computer.